Hey, it's Ashleigh here, and welcome to another episode in my home Reno series. So today's episode, we are getting closer to putting paint on these beautiful walls. So in this video today, we are definitely still prepping the walls, putting up holes, taking down the rest of the popcorn ceiling in the living room, and just getting everything ready. So let's go ahead and start this episode. Okay, so these are my colors today. So I did one more coat on each of these. Quick memory check. We have Greek Villa, Whispering White, and the P word white. I didn't Google to see how to say that word. But anyways, so this is what they look like today. So it's not bright and sunny. It's kind of cloudy. So yeah, I'll probably wait till the sun comes out a little bit to see which one I want. These two are very similar in color, and they're actually similar to this one too. So I don't know. I think I might like the Whispering White, but I do like this one too because it's like a creamy color, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna do the bigger holes that need like the mesh tape and all that stuff. So I was kind of putting this off because I just feel like I'm gonna do something wrong. But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy to do. So I got this Fibra tape and the reviews were pretty good. So this is what we're gonna use to patch up the bigger holes in the wall. And oh my God, that's what I forgot. I forgot to get more of this stuff. So honestly, I probably can't even do this today. I don't have any to do this. So okay, I'm gonna do the holes, put this on top, and then tomorrow I'm gonna put the stuff on it, okay? Because I totally forgot that I don't have any more of this stuff. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start with these three right here. Honestly, I think I'm gonna do this along the, okay, let's see. And I think I need some, so we're gonna do it like this. And honestly, oh wait, no, I said I'm gonna stuff some little paper in there. Okay, hold on. I probably don't need to do this, but that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I saw somebody do this on TV. I mean, not TV, but something. I don't even know if this is what you're supposed to do, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay, so then now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna add it on top. So I'm just gonna put this on here so that I'll know, but I need to sand that down. And then I think this is what the professionals do. Bam! Okay, so for right now, I'm just gonna leave this like this because I need to sand this part down. Okay. I might not have to, but whatever. Okay, so moving along. I'm just gonna go ahead and sand that down. There we go. That's what I should have done to the other side. All right, so then now I'm gonna get my paper towel and I'm going to push it off. Honestly, y'all, I literally saw somebody do this, huh? And the one in there has a tiny thing. Whatever. Okay. I don't know what this is for. I just saw somebody do it. Okay. So then I'm gonna take this and okay, and then I'm gonna add. Okay, wait, maybe I should do it more like up there. I literally almost hit myself with this. And this is self-adhesive. I'm gonna do it this way. Probably don't need that much. It said an inch and that's way more than an inch, so I don't need to use that much. All right. Then we have this big gaping hole over here. And I'm gonna do this one. This is kind of fun. All right, so I'm just gonna, there we go. Again, I probably don't need that, but okay. All right, so I don't know what I did with my camera, so I'm on my phone again. So if the footage looks funny, you know why. So I've been gone. I went to go get, well, I had to pick Riley up. Smel's mom is in town, so my mother-in-law, and she'll be watching them while we are like in Jamaica next week. And then also kind of like doing all of the stuff, oops, in the house. So anyways, I left to go do all that and let them in the house and all that stuff. And so now we're gonna come in here and see what he has gotten done, because he's been taking too long with these popcorn ceilings. Hello? he has pulled the paper up and we're gonna put some more paper down. All right. Oh my gosh, it looks a mess in here. Okay, wait, it sounds like he's in the bathroom. Why are you using that?
Yeah.
I said hello. I said hello, you didn't hear me?
When did you say hello?
Like earlier.
You came in here?
Yeah, I came in here and I said hello.
Did I say anything back? No, why did you think I heard you?
Well, I thought you heard me say hello. I thought you heard me say hello. Oh, there's my camera right there. It's on the little tripod. And I also lost a little piece that goes right here. I have to find it. So I kind of like did that. But anyways, there's my camera right there. Okay, so after the 10th, it really started to get down to crunch time and we started to paint a little bit. So we started with the closets. We realized that this was gonna be a lot of work. We could have used a paint spray or whatever, but we were just rolling it on. And so after we started with the closets, we did both of the closets in here. We were like, no, we're just gonna have to get people to come and paint this. So that's what we did. So I just started like cleaning baseboards and stuff like that. And we had, some people come and paint. So anyways, this is how I'm ending out this episode. As you can see, this is the 12th, and all I did honestly this day was just kind of prep everything for them to come in and start to do everything while we are away in Jamaica. The next episodes that you guys will see is the stuff leading up to that, from them doing the mud on the walls and all that stuff like that. So again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't checked out the playlist, I will have it here for you to check it out. The full playlist from start to finish. We are on episode 11. Yes. Can't wait to show you guys the next episode. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.